Berkeley Zen Center. Berkeley Zen Center BZC temple named Shagakuji Zhengju-si, Shagaku-ji, is a Soto Zen Buddhist practice center located in Berkeley, California, currently led by Hazen Allen Senok. An informal affiliate to the San Francisco Zen Center SFCC, BZC was founded in 1967 by Sajan Mel Weitzman and Shunryu Suzuki as a satellite group for the SFCC. Despite founding the center, Weitzman was not installed as abbot there until 1985, 1 year after receiving Dharma transmission from Hoitsu Suzuki. Weitzman's Dharma heir, Alan Senok, lives on site with his wife Lori Senok as of 1999 and also works for the Buddhist Peace Fellowship. Another former teacher at BZC was Maylie Scott, who died in 2001. In 1969, Zenke Blanche Hartman began sitting Zazen at BZC, receiving Dharma transmission from Weitzman in 1988. In 1979, the center relocated to its current location on Russell Street and today houses a small group of residents who live on site. BZC has an active community and a full schedule of Zen service, student talks, Dharma talks, and Zazen. 2. Gallery.